Print test model. Step 1. Take out the filament and cut a bevel with scissors. Otherwise, the filament will get stuck. Insert the filament into the nozzle, making sure to insert it all the way. Otherwise, the first model may fail to print. Step 2. Insert the TF card. The software, models and manual are stored in the TF card. Step 3. Select the language on the machine interface and load the filament. Step 4. Print the test model from TF card. After printing is completed, take out the model and check whether there are any defects in the printed test model. If the model is not sticky, you can apply a glue stick or adjust the Z offset. If you don't know how to operate it or have problems, you can contact us to solve it. Thanks for watching. If you encounter problems, please contact after sales.